In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't send friend requests on Facebook. To get started, open Facebook on your device. Now in the app, make sure that you're signed in to your account. At the top right corner of your screen, click on the menu button. In here, go ahead and click on the settings and privacy and click on settings. On the settings page, look for how people find and contact you. In here, go ahead and check if you've set who can send you friend requests to public or friends of friends. Now what happens when you can't add an individual on Facebook is they might have set their who can send you friend requests to friends of friends. What you'll need to do to fix this is to add someone on his friends list to be able to add his Facebook account. And that's it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.